come to know is never really mine to hold a story that's already sold. Dressing room, fire exit, I made it look like a hit. Lights are off, room is empty, I'm the only hit left in it. Try to keep the afterglow, but the bulbs are dying slow, fading out with every breath, whispering a sweet, soft death. And the draft begins to creep, secrets that the walls will keep. This hollow space, a final stand, too fragile now to understand.